Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to this Shib, and the zero killing episode continues. I don't know what kind of an episode this is right now, but Shib still is superb. Bitcoin even more superb than Shib right now. And again, the daily is the holy grail. Okay, and if you want me to kill the zero, do make sure you're following the channel, like this video so that it may reach as many Shib holders as possible. Guys, you don't even know how much powerful your one like really is. Okay, it's not for me, it's for the channel. Make the channel grow and make the channel, this video, reach more people. Because gone are the days where Shib was struggling to break the zero. Okay, back in 2020s, 2021. This time, the guy you're listening to right now, okay, the channel you're watching at the moment, okay, is sick and tired of looking at SHIB not destroying the zero. Okay, people are saying that SHIB is not the future. SHIB is just a normal shitcoin or a meme coin, and SHIB is never gonna make it up till here. Or SHIB is just gonna give you 2 to 3x, and it's never gonna give you that holy grail of maybe 100x and this and that. It's not gonna do 50x and stuff. They're doubting SHIB. Can you believe that? They doubt Shib. Funny, isn't it? I know you're laughing right now, even I'm laughing. Idiots, bunch of idiots out there. So, if you're not one, if you're not among them, and you like Shib and you want to see Shib getting destroyed, join the revolution. Hashtag Adam will kill the zero. Just join that revolution, okay? And so far, 2 to 3 thousand people have been joining already. I need this to get to 10,000, 100,000. I don't care, okay? Shib Army, baby. Now, let's get into this one. Um, Again, I haven't changed my opinion about the bull flag, okay? So, back to the technicals is that we had a parabolic move, which was so good to see, which was really cool to the eyes as well. And you started consolidating, and you're reaching the end of this consolidation all the way to maybe 16th of March. So 3 to 4 more days to see hopefully another parabolic push to first target here at 6,245. There could be an instance where we may see an Elliott wave theory kind of scenario playing out. So maybe you have this first wave and the second wave here, and we could be looking for third, which is the biggest one actually. And if it's the biggest one, we could even look at such a big parabolic move up to even 13,000, maybe, okay? Because if 30 is going to be the biggest wave, it doesn't make sense to come to 6,000. Then it means it's going to be the biggest one, okay? And probably just killing that zero, right? Finally, when we kill it, and then we come up here, and then you go for the fourth correction down, and then you start another parabolic move, probably to the 18 and or maybe to the moon. Moon is the limit, okay? Now, what else can I say? Okay, Bitcoin is trading at $73,000, right? And now that Bitcoin is at $73,000, Bitcoin is the coin that is moving up. But I know you have noticed SHIB is not matching the vibes of Bitcoin, especially for so many reasons. When Bitcoin was at 16,000 all the way to 60 or $59,000, SHIB didn't move. Okay, SHIB was still down. SHIB suddenly started moving some few days ago, but Bitcoin moved almost 5 6 months ago, right? Now Bitcoin is also pumping again, but SHIB isn't really doing that much. So why is this happening? I think the whales, people who buy SHIB in huge amount, in billions of dollars, they may have their money stuck in Bitcoin right now, and it's just how money flows, okay? So when Bitcoin is being traded by the big investors, you got Elon Musk, you got Joe Biden, I don't know, micro strategies, that what they call him. And when they pump Bitcoin, at a certain point they're going to stop. I think they're going to stop maybe at $79,000, or maybe they're going to stop it at $85,000. And when they stop it, that means a consolidation for Bitcoin may happen, just as a consolidation of SHIB was happening. So when that consolidation for Bitcoin starts, basically they start removing money and putting it into a large cap like Ethereum, Cardano, Ripple, and then they may go for altcoins, starting in with Dogecoin, right? We have seen Doge and Shib moving same to same with one another, and then it goes to Doge and finally comes to the Shib. Okay, so money flows like this. It's a cycle of money flow. Now, even Dogecoin, speaking of Doge, Doge is also pretty much the sideways, right? It started that parabolic move along with Shib, and it started moving sideways, creating another pattern, which also means Doge probably is ready to continue to push even to maybe 0.24, 0.5, right? Or maybe back to the all-time high. Shib is also the damn same. So it looks like there are similarities between Doge and Shib as well. So that's all for the video. Hope you enjoyed this one and some bunch of new information. Again, make sure you're following. Make sure you join the revolution. Hashtag Adam will kill the zero. Maybe post this video on Twitter or something, people to get to know me. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one in office.